Started cutting off the people he came up with. Ego blown like a solar been abducted. Though his heart was once real, now material was filled up his world and he couldn't get enough of it. Used to want to be the best of the rap time. Now the only one concern is going platinum. And his skill assist decreased and the inner hunger ceased. Now continues as long as things last. He's a big whale now, crashing out the bar. Watching how his office leaves, eating out the stars. I mean, he didn't do it, though. Only money, drinking out the 40 bottle, living outdoors. On his way to the top laughed as they rushed him to the downstroke. Now the moral of the story is that some money make the inner vision crumble. So if you're blessed with the talent,